Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So we ended the day at $13.38. That's what we trading at in the after hours, up over 3.8%. So solid day overall, guys. We seeing some get back from that bloody, ugly day on yesterday, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. The Dow Jones added 1.3% on today. The S&P 500 gained 1.8%. The NASDAQ gained 2.7%, guys. So as you could see today, for the ones that been watching AMC like a hawk, I know you have, but today we did get lagged behind, meaning we had much more potential in us on today, but you know how they like to do AMC. We already should have been booming during these times because we shouldn't be on the same algorithm with the overall market, and we should be trading in the opposite direction. So while the overall market had been getting hammered and getting crushed, seeing lowest of the lows, seeing the S&P and the SPY dropping to levels we ain't seen before in decades, we should have been soaring during all that madness, guys. But we see exactly how they got us in that chokehold, but we know pressure busts pipe. So eventually we are going to prevail and start to run like crazy. On today, we should have got a little bit more power than we had seen, being for the fact that we is running with the overall market, and the overall market was thriving today. As it continued to push up, it didn't push up and give back. It was choppy today, but it wasn't nowhere near as choppy as it have been. Think about it, guys. Compare today to the previous days, the previous weeks of the volatility that's been happening in the market. You usually would see a crazy run up in the morning, or a crazy pullback, then follow behind it. If we would have, went crazy how we did this morning, we would have seen a crazy dip come lunchtime, which we didn't. We just seen a slight pullback. It wanted to dip, but it was like, nah, man. People was like, we got these shares for so cheap. We going to continue to hold on to these regardless. If it want to dip back during lunchtime, we'll just accumulate more during that time. That's exactly what the people actually was seeing on today, judging by the price action of the overall market, guys. So AMC, let's go ahead and take a look at it. We know at around 130 to 220, guys, when we dip from $13.50 to the low $13 area, we could have that was a bigger dip than the rest of the stocks in the overall market. Everybody else just fell back just an inch, but AMC dipped pretty hard. And then as we started to try and get back with the overall market, we was lagging behind. While the overall market was steady running up and doing this thing, AMC was something was holding it back. We already know what's up with that, guys. Manipulation at its finest. So let's go ahead and take a look at this right here as well, because this catalyst from this movie theater company can also shine light on us and let us know what's going on in the movie theater world. So Cinemark movie plan draws 1 million subscribers, guys. Cinemark is the U.S. third largest movie theater chain. It was the first U.S. theater to cross the 1 million subscriber milestone. It's a real positive momentum, especially for them, but it's also a reflection on what's going on in the movie industry. Being for the fact that they just surpassed 1 million subscribers, more and more people is being involved in movies. That means people is coming back to it, people wanting to go to the movies, and it's just all lining up, guys. Because if we go all the way back, a lot of people thought movie theaters was about to be another blockbuster, another company that was doing well for decades and decades. Then all of a sudden a shift happened in the world and people no longer like the business, guys. So now we see things, the fundamental aspects is picking up. All this is just adding up to be a wonderful play, being for the fact that some people are going to be invested in it and not even know about the squeeze happening because they probably didn't hear about it, or however the case may be, they not on the media like that. They probably just liking AMC because of the fundamental aspects of it and the share price that is currently trading at, and they see the value from it. So with that being said, we got the best of both worlds that's happening here. We getting the fundamental aspects built up to a level to where more investors coming in from that angle and also coming in from the squeeze angle. So put it together, guys, we got a monster. So AMC is on track to shoot straight back to the $15-16 territory, guys, after breaking at $13.34 on today and holding up above it, which is a great sign. Now we want to treat that as a form of support. If we come down, that's exactly what we want to hold at, the high 13s, but specifically we want to see us hold up at $13.34, right around that area, guys. And if we do so, we're going to be headed straight to that $15-16 territory. And once we break through 17, here comes 20, baby. We could go straight to the $20. So you already know, guys, be prepared for that, because we know once AMC starts to move, once this thing starts to move, it moves very, very fast. Every time they bring AMC down, try to, bring us back, bring us down, it take them a while. Like grandpa, grandma, slowly but steady, it'll come down. But as soon as we start to move back up, once we go in the direction that we belong and what we're supposed to be going all along, you see how fast it, assails, how fast it accelerates and take off. That's just how you know, if you think about it and zoom out. Like, it seems as if it's taking forever to come down, because it seems as if it's artificial, as somebody is forcing it. It's doing something that they don't supposed to be doing, so it's taking a bit more power and force to get it down. But as soon as it's trying to go up, it happened with ease, because that's what it's supposed to be doing anyway. So you already know, guys, that's my take on it. That's my 2 cents. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show, getting that VIP. We killing them over there, plays after plays after plays. I love you guys. We out, and God bless you.